Okay guys, I'm Beyblade Nerds 236 and I'm gonna do a battle between Lightning L-Drago and Cyber Pegasus. First I'll spin Lightning L-Drago, then Cyber Pegasus. Okay. First Lightning L-Drago. 3, 2, 1, let it. 2, 1, let it. You do it, L-Drago! Dragon Emperor soaring fights, strike fighting. There. Spin the steel, L-Drago, spin the steel, come on. Zero lap spin base, spin the steel. Come on, such a boring battle. There. L-Drago, you can do it, L-Drago. It looks like Cyber Pegasus won. Cyber Pegasus won. So it's Cyber 1. Cyber 1. Bam. Cyber 1. I just tried it. Cyber 2. Now next for the next battle. Next battle. Arrange it. Okay, now next. Ready? L-Drago, you can do it. L-Drago, you can do it. Oh my god. I think L-Drago's gonna win. The heck? Okay. Cyber 2. Okay. That's so bad. One more, L-Drago's gonna lose. Oh, one more in. Let's try Cyber Pegasus first. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, did you saw it? L-Drago won, so it's wait. Do I really need to write it or no? Okay, there. Cyber 2, L-Drago 1. See. We'll spin L-Drago first. 3, 2, 1, let it. 2, 1. Okay, L-Drago. Oh, Cyber Pegasus 1. There. We're done. Okay, before I want to stop,